Finnish and Spanish sayings.
And their translations in the opposite language. Rahalla saa, hevosella pääsee. And in Spanish,
Con dinero se obtiene y con caballo se llega.
it basically means that money can buy you things, but you need practical things to get everything sorted.
Camarón que se duerme se lo lleva la corriente.
And in Finnish, katkarapu, joka nukahtaa, virta vie sen.
It means that if you are not alert, you will miss opportunities.
A classic Finnish saying is oma lehmä ojassa,
Tener la propia vaca en la zanja.
which basically means to have a personal motivation behind something.
Another Spanish one is en boca cerrada no entran moscas.
Which in Finnish, this is actually good. Suljettuun suuhun ei mene kärpäsiä.
It means that better to stay quiet than get into troubles.
Ei kukko käskien laula.
El gallo no canta por orden.
Basically means that some things cannot be forced.
Aunque la mona se vista de seda, mona se queda.
Vaikka apina pukeutuisi silkkiin, on se silti apina.
And it's like you can change someone's true nature.
Makes sense. Easy.